Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is January 18th, 2025, and we are doing a deep dive into Litecoin or LTCUSD. Recent news headlines highlight a significant price surge in Litecoin, with some outlets reporting increases as high as 31% in just 24 hours. This surge is largely attributed to speculation surrounding potential Litecoin ETF approvals. The daily chart shows a clear upward trend over the past few weeks. Notice how the price has steadily climbed above previous resistance levels, suggesting a strong bullish momentum. Let's zoom in on the past month. Here, we observe a series of higher highs and higher lows, further confirming the ongoing bullish trend. Notice the significant volume increase during the recent price surge, indicating strong buying pressure. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart to gain a more granular perspective on recent price action. Here we can spot some short-term corrections, which should be expected in an uptrend. Note the quick bounce after each short dip. Notice how each of these dips were met with significant buying pressure, showing how resilient the upward momentum was, creating higher lows. Zooming in on the 15-minute chart reveals more detail of how the price action moved during this time frame. Notice how these short-term corrections were met by even more buying pressure, suggesting the bullish momentum remains very strong. The correlation between positive news and price movements is evident. However, it's important to consider that news is not the sole factor driving price. Technical factors such as support and resistance levels also play significant roles. Looking at key price levels on the daily chart, we see immediate support around $100 and strong resistance near the $140 mark. A break above $140 could signal a further significant increase, while a drop below $100 might lead to a more substantial correction. On the 1-hour chart, we can observe support levels at approximately $105 and $115. The strength of the current bullish trend suggests that the support levels are likely to hold. Resistance levels on the 1-hour chart are less clear, but breaking above $120 in this time frame could trigger further gains. In summary, Litecoin has exhibited a strong bullish trend recently, driven by the news of potential ETF approvals and strong buying pressure. The 1-day chart suggests support around $100 and resistance near $140. The 1-hour chart indicates support at $105 and $115, while the 15-minute chart shows quick recovery after dips, suggesting that the current bullish momentum may continue. These are just potential scenarios, and any given market movement is subject to change. However, unexpected news events or changes in the broader market sentiment could easily influence the price of Litecoin. Always consider that there is inherent risk in the market.